Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that today only IFSCA Grade A notification for the year 2025 has been released, and as a part of the detailed notification they have also shared the details regarding the revised salary. So in this short video we are going to discuss this percentage increase in salary as compared to 2024, and we are also going to cover the different type of allowances that you are going to receive once you become an IFSCA Grade A officer. We will see these things one by one. But before we proceed forward, just a small piece of information. We know that previous year papers play a very important role if you are preparing for any competitive exam including IFSCA grade A. So what you can do, you can go to the description box, click over the link, and from there you can download these previous year papers. Now, if you talk about salary, if you talk about the year 2025, you can see that the basic salary is rupees 62,500, and if you compare it with 2024, it was 44,500. So you can see there is a significant increase in salary, right? Apart from that, apart from this 62,500, you will receive annual increment of 3,600 rupees for the next 4 years, and after 4 years your salary is going to be 76,900 rupees, and along with that you will receive annual increment of 4,050 rupees for the next 7 years, and after 7 years this is going to be your salary, and your increment is going to be 4,050 rupees for the next 4 years. And then after that, after these 4 years, your salary is going to be around 1,21,450 rupees, and this is going to be your annual increment for the next 1 year, and this is going to be a final salary, right? So this is within this span of 17 years, and if you compare it with this one, you can see there is a significant increase. Apart from that, since you are going to receive different type of allowances also, right? So by including different allowances, for example the grade allowance, special grade allowance, DNS allowance, also sort of allowances, your approximate gross pay is going to be 1,80,000 rupees, and if you compare it with 2024, it was 1,43,000. So I would say there is around 25% increase in hike, right? 25% hike is there with respect to this gross salary. Now, the apart from this salary, you are going to receive other type of benefits also. For example, the leave fare concession, medical expenses, personal accident insurance, right? You will receive the knowledge updation allowance, cleaning allowance, staff furnishing scheme. All such kind of benefits are going to be there as a part of this IFSCA grade A position, right? So I hope it is clear to you that what is the scenario as far as this salary revision is concerned, and if you have any questions or any other query, please do not hesitate to write it in the comment box. Now let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So if you go to a website which is edutap.in, you have to go to this courses section, and under this you can see this IFSCA grade A courses, and if you open this one, then you can see that we provide two types of courses. The first is the gold and the second is silver. As a part of this gold course, you will get content for both phase 1 and phase 2, which will include the concept classes, concept note, mock test, and live revision classes. If we talk about the silver course, the content is for the phase 2 only, where you will be getting content for both. I would say you will be getting content for concept classes, the notes, mock test, and live revision classes that are there. And apart from that, this is the code that you have to apply, which is Super 74. You can avail 74% off, and in case you want to test that whether this course is going to suit your preparation style or not, for that purpose we have this 15 days free starter pack also, where you will be getting the limited version of this full course, but this will give you a good idea that how the entire course looks like, right? So based on that you can take your decision, and it is free of cost. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much, and all the best for your examination.